If you have been struggling with forex losses, this video will definitely help you out. This is what we call market back testing, which is what many people do not do out there, and this is one of the core back backbone for your success in forex trading, because this will help you to evaluate yourself and move you forward. It will definitely sound as a guide. It definitely sound as eye opening to you, and of course, position you a better, profitable way, the best you can be. Because last week I was here, I gave you out some trades, going back to the market and see what do I do wrong, what do I need to improve, what do I need to come into, what do I need to look into, what do I need to checkmate, what do I know? All of stops is very paramount in the market. And what methods do not do is that you avoid and you see it as normal. It's not normal. Those little stop, those small things matter a lot in the forest journey. And these are the things that will position you more better. So follow me through and watch this video to the end so you can learn how to go about this. You don't forget last week market was around here. I said I'm gonna be looking for either a break above this and then or a break below. I'm looking for a short here and a buy here. But market did something different. Can you imagine? That's crazy. Something different. It put a gap here, came back here. I was already looking for a long, but I didn't see confirmation at anything here. I didn't see any confirmation at this. I waited for it. It's good. This. And then I see this on the top. Well, fine. I was waiting maybe to break this away and get it. I don't want to enter any buy and then see market come back bish. No, no, no. I'm buying too high. See where this buy started and I'm buying. I want to buy here. I was saying, no, no, that's too high for me. Market might take me out. So I was waiting for it to break above here. Then with this, I can enter buy. If it didn't break, maybe it stopped here. I see rejections and the market came back here again to take away this low and I see this formation 1, 2, 3, 4. I knew this is a buy. I entered push. And that's how market keep buying and buying and buying till this point. We're able to make about 80 to 90 something pips on this, but I stopped around here. I picked my profit around here. Then I never knew market would go this way. I picked my profit around here. Market will tested and still go another way like this. But I opted out around it because whenever market is here, we always have rejection, 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 rejection. So I put my profit around here. So I don't know market. So our market definitely still will chill as we did the reaction and later we still go up. So that was on USD, Euro USD. Another pair last week I was looking out for. I told you that was this. I told you guys that we milked this buy and market came back here. I think so, but I didn't get an entry. I think so. I didn't get an entry for this trade, and this one goes. I said I'm gonna be looking for buy, but I didn't get an entry. I was waiting. I think 15 time frame did not give me entry. Yes, let me check very well. I didn't see the entry on 15 time frame. I didn't see what was it called my entry candlesticks on 15 time frame. So that was why I avoided that and I didn't pick the signal. I didn't pick that trade, but I knew it's gonna be a buy. But I personally did not get an entry for the buy. Where is it? Trying to look for it. I didn't get anything for the buy. So it's quite unfortunate for me. So I let it go like that. Yeah, this is it. This was it. I think this was it. Yeah, I didn't get anything. Yeah. Immediately market came back here. Expecting this to come here. So you can give me this is the head, shoulder, then a shoulder. That will be more confirmed for me. Oh, this is a good buy. I'll come back here again and reject this last. This I will miss my last line. So I can risk about 15, 12, or 40 pips. Then I can be more confident in longing as in my market never came back, just keep going, going. So I left it and I didn't bother to pursue or chase the market, but it went our direction and then it gives about how many pips was that? That was about how many pips was that? That was about 100 pip plus. That was a 100 pip plus go and we didn't pick it up, but we knew it was a buy market. Yeah. Where is it again? Yeah, okay. I think this is it. Yeah, that was about 100 pips plus. Yeah. So and that one I also gave you guys was EURJPY as well. I don't think I did pick this as well. I didn't pick this I missed this one too as well. I was just market to come back to this a bit here. You can buy, but market keep going. I missed it. But it was a buy. That's three trades, one, but I didn't pick any. One, but I didn't pick any. Which one again? I think let me see. Oh no, I didn't give you anything on CSF JPY. I don't think I gave anything on this. I gave on GDP, GJ. I gave on GJ as well. I guess I was able to see an entry for this one and we make it. Yeah, we make it. We make this one. That's four out of four trades. All of them played out perfectly well. Let me see again. Which one again? I think I gave you guys USD CSF. Yeah, USS CSF. This CSF too. Where was it? Can I remember? Okay, I want to. Where was it? Where was market was that year last week? I can't remember again. Where was it? Okay, I didn't get. I think I was market. Okay, the market was here. I was going to buy it when the market comes here, but I didn't see an entry. I later sold when I see market taking away this high, then I later sold here. When I saw this formation again, this formation, I always told you about this formation, guys. I told you about formation. Once market do something like this formation, these candlesticks within, I told you about candlesticks. Once you understand candlesticks, you'll be able to interpret the market more easier for yourself. So candlesticks is a powerful tool. It's a powerful language that you should know and you should be able to understood. You should be able to interpret. So I understand candlesticks so well. Once I see candlesticks patterns, 2 to 3 candlestick patterns, I can put them together. I can be able to interpret. Analysis is as a language, like Spanish, it's like German, it's like French. Once you can interpret that language, you'll be able to execute fine and you'll be able to make money with the market. So that was how to make money in this sell and in this sell as well. So what I think that was it, guys, and then that was it. So aside from this, I always urge my students, please every week go over all the trade you pick. This is just a recap, a summary. I'm not doing a in-depth one. If you want an in-depth one, we are all having a fresh 2 days intensive class, free training, guys. We are having a free training very soon. Please, I want you to join our Telegram so you can get a lot of the free training. It's going to be an intensive one. You'll definitely be blaming yourself why you have been missing trades and then making money by the time you go through this training because we will do a lot of things for you, a lot of things that people pay for. We will be revealing to every one of you. So I want to urge you to not miss this training and join us on Telegram. And so don't forget to subscribe to the channel so we can always alert those that are not on Telegram so they can join and of course get an opportunity to partake in this training. Thank you for joining me once again. I hope you learn 1 or 2 things from this video. Do not forget to subscribe and then join us on Telegram for daily signals and amazing educations, free education. Thank you and bye for now, guys. Peace out.